Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today I'm going to be creating this galaxy stormy lightning lady that you see here. I really don't have a name for it yet. It's probably just going to be called like Stormy or Thunderstruck or something like that. So once I've made a decision, you'll see in the title. So this look was inspired by Zoran Blitz on Instagram. She's an amazing artist. And I kind of just took a spin off of that and turned it into this like galaxy stormy character. This is such a fun look for Halloween. I think that the actual face paint and the coloring part of the look was pretty simple to do. And the lightning can be pretty messy because it's not supposed to be exact lines. So have fun with it. As always, before watching this tutorial, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and you have post notifications turned on so you know when I post a new video. And let's just jump right into it. If you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So first I started by going in with some body paints that I got from Michaels just to give a wash of color, but it wasn't as pigmented as I wanted. So then I went in with my Make It Forever Flash palette just to build up that color. And then I went in with some dark blue and just blended it into that purple shade that I did before, just to kind of give a very cloudy, soft effect. And then I also used those same colors to contour my nose. And then I found that it was actually a little bit easier to use my finger instead of the sponge, just to give a little bit more of a soft, diffused look. And now I'm going in with the light blue shade and the Flash palette and just blending it up into those purple and blue shades that I used before. And then again, just going in with my finger to soften the edges. And with that same light blue shade, using that as a base for highlight on the upper parts of my cheek and then blending it up into the eye area below the brow. And once again, using my finger just to blend all those shades together. I also added a little bit of the light blue shade just right on top of the nose contour that I did. And then just building up a little bit more of that purple since I lost it from blending the blue shades. And appearance for my cat Moo. And now I'm going in with my Morphe 35B palette and I'm just using those purple shades to set the purple cream. And then also picking up the blue shades in that palette and just tapping them right over those same colors. And then I picked up the electric palette to use that cobalt blue and just kind of blend it in between the purple and the light blue. And then I picked up my Beauty Blender just to kind of blend everything together and soften the edges. Same concept as using my fingers, but this worked better for the powders. And then picking up my Flash palette again just to use this as a base on my eyelids, and then I'm going to go in and do the same thing and set it with an eyeshadow. And then I'm using the Pastel Goth palette. I'm using that really light lavender shade, and I mixed a little bit of the white just to brighten it a little bit on the lid. And then just using that same light blue eyeshadow from the Morphe 35B palette just to blend it into the purple. And then I picked up that light blue cream and then just used that underneath my eye and also tapped a little bit in my waterline. And I also set both of these with the light blue shadow as well, just so it didn't crease. Now for my favorite part, I'm using the Anastasia Aurora palette and I'm picking up that purple shade and I was feeling myself. This is so pretty. And I also use the light blue highlight as well on the blue parts of my face. I basically just put it all over my face. And then I used a little bit of the white highlight just to brighten the very tip of the highlight. I'm such a dork. And then I also highlighted the inner corner and Cupid's bow and then down the bridge of my nose. And now for the tricky part, I'm going in with the Flash palette once again, and I'm just using that white cream shade. And I just used really thin eyeliner brushes, and I was really messy with this. The cool part about this part of the makeup is that you really don't have to be precise with how you're drawing the lines. Lightning is obviously not precise, and the messier the better. Now I'm doing the exact same thing that I did on my face, and I'm just blending those cream shades using the purple, blending it up into the navy, and then picking up a little bit of that light blue. And then I'm going to use those exact same shadows that I use on my face just to set those creams. It's especially important to use a lot of powder on your neck because of all of the lines in your neck, and you don't want it to get super creasy. And I'm just going to speed this up because I'm doing the exact same thing that I did on my face. And for lips, I'm using the Kat Von D Everlasting Glimmer lipstick in Televator, and I'm using the Urban Decay Special Effects Top Coat in White Lie. And I also use the Aurora Glow Kit just to make that pop even more. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I just popped on a wig. This is from Lush Wigs. I will link the wig below and the name of it, of course. So I've created quite a few looks on Instagram already for Halloween, but this is the first one I decided to record for you guys. It's really hard for me to jump in front of the camera and explain kind of what I'm doing because I make tweaks and changes while I'm creating a look, and I always use an inspo photo, but I usually end up doing something completely different than what I had planned. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and you like how the look turned out. Always have fun with the looks that you're creating. Don't feel like you have to go out and do exactly what someone else is doing or buy the exact products that they're using. Makeup has no rules and every artist is different, so just have fun. And thank you so much for being here on my channel and watching this video. If you did like it, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and make sure you're subscribed to my channel before you click out of this video. If you want to see the other looks that I created on my Instagram, make sure to head over to my page, Chelsreymua. I created quite a few, some scary, some pretty Halloween looks. And I have a couple more planned for you guys, so make sure to look out for the future videos I'm going to be posting. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.